This is Connor. Welcome to a Minecraft game, and I'm gonna be the seeker, I guess. So, yeah, I'm gonna be the seeker. You go ahead. I'm gonna fly up here. So, because we are playing the whole day with Seek, but here we're playing with F6 rated. Don't Blinky start the game. Come on, Blinky. So Blinky gets to go out and hide. Poor Blinky to me. Hey Blinky, you go and hide, you go and hide. I don't know. You see, Blinky's only new. Blinky's only new. So, okay. And X6 Raven says, ew, still Blinky here. So, yeah, we're going to be playing some hide and seek. What Blinky looks like. I might invite some people in. I will invite Kaden in. I will invite Aaron, I will invite, go on my answer sign. Aaron's in. Teleport to me. Hello, Aaron. Aaron, you're a hider, okay? You're a hider, okay? Yeah. I know, we're playing hide and seek. Okay, let's start all over again, okay? Well, that was actually, while we're waiting for some people in, we'll invite people that are offline, like Jay and Lewis, because they join quite a lot, so when they're online, they hopefully will join. And also my friend View4 actually all loves this world. So we could probably invite him in. Okay guys, now let's just wait. Aaron thinks we're going to be building the hide and seek window, so you Blinky and Aaron need to find. Okay. That's what I was before for a second. Breakthrough. Okay, let's nearly there. Yeah, okay. Let's go about the people. So, yeah, if you like this hide and seek and you like this video, do 2 thumbs up. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see if Aaron is up here. In his headquarters, no. You see, before the headquarters wasn't there. There's Aaron. Oh, Aaron. Oh, he was sending me a message. Looks like we got him. So, permissions. Oh, that's all he says to me. Is can I get permissions? Okay, now he's not going to teleport the Blinky, because that'll just give it away, so no teleporting. And let's see where Blinky is. So, oh, there you are. Are they going to lock me up? Oh, no! Oh, no, I have to get him here. Come on. I know he's running. Are you a seeker too? Come on. Yeah, we got him. Okay, teleport to me, Blinky, and put everything back. You're not going in. Aaron City. Oh. Okay, but then. Okay, he can be a seeker for now, I don't think. Okay. In this case, take turns. Pretty much. Okay, let's hide. So, oh, he's left the game, guys. Well, that was very short. Aaron's back in the game. It's just like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Up here, Aaron, up here, up here. Take that stick with you. Okay. Okay, so Aaron's gonna be Seeker for today. Okay, so let's go up there, shall we? And we'll see if we find us. How are we going to headquarters? Okay, is there headquarters on the back of Super Target? No. And let's try and go into headquarters, and if he comes to hit us, then we're just gonna drop down here. So that's actually, let's look through here. Go on as join the game. Go on to it as join the game. Oh no, okay. Aaron, who wants to be the Seeker now? Teleport to me. Let's let go on a 2 have to be the Seeker. There we go. Go on a 2 is the Seeker. Let's see what's gonna happen. So teleport to me. Go on it. Okay. Hide, go, seek. We're playing hide, go, seek. So let's go and see if Goanna 2 can find us. I don't know who Goanna is. Who is his friend? Okay. Aaron's trying to catch people, even though he's not on now. I'm gonna jump off to see if that kills me. Okay, that was not meant to happen. Aaron, you're not the Seeker. Oh. Aaron, you're not the Seeker, no. Where's the Seeker? Oh no, he's coming. He is coming, guys. The Seeker is coming. Okay, so let's, where can we really hide? Where's the Seeker? Okay, there's Aaron. I don't know if the Seeker even knows how to play. Okay guys, well, I'm actually going to end the video here. I don't think they know how to play. I hope you had the first round, an excellent round. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!